Do you want an awesome toy hauler without breaking the budget? Well, today I want to show you the brand new 2024 Summit 7x18 cargo trailer. This is a glorified utility trailer that has a bed, cabinetry, and a lot more to offer. So let's watch this video and check it out. Here is a custom 7x18 Summit trailer by Haulin RV. Let's walk around, starting right up front. We have our 2 5/16 ball with the electric brake package and a manual tongue jack. Comes with a diamond plate tongue box right up front with a heavy duty latch and a lock. Over on the side we have our brake. This attaches to our brakes on the trailer and works with our breakaway brake. Comes with a 30 amp power service with the power cord inside. Over here is the AM/FM radio antenna. That's a port for the battery, so the battery can vent out, that's inside. Here are some vents. That way anything we carry in the interior would be able to vent out. Here's our flip out bed, which I'll show you here in a few. It flips out and has canvas for it. Quick and easy to use. We're on a double axle with these nice awesome aluminum wheels with the Westlake tires on a 235/75/15 ST tire, standing for standard trailer tire. We do have our fender lights, the awesome wing in the back with the LED lighting, the back porch lights, the backup rear camera bracket, and the rubber bumper mounts. Now let's pop this thing open. Doing it with one hand. We also have the extra flip down support, make it easier to pull right onto the ramp. Nice low grade ramp. Full size spare tire on the side. As we're going in, we're going to see that beautiful black coin flooring with the nice side walls. The walls are a brand new texture as of this year, no more carpet. Lights up top, air conditioner. This is for the backlight. Window over in the side. Cabinets up front. These are our interior lights with the bright whites. Now we have our blue lights. There's also a handle light, which is a third light. Up front we have our countertop. And then above that we have our cabinet lights. Mesh netting that we can easily pop right off. Above that we do have a little shelving unit. Smoke detector up top. Right here's a cell phone charger, which is either wireless or USB. AM/FM stereo that is Bluetooth with interior speakers. Couple doors underneath our countertop with as much storage as we can put in there. And here on the left side we will see our battery and our breaker box. Now we're going into the fire extinguisher and our doors. This is a man door over here. We do have a screen door on there as well. Full-size spare on the side. Another vent right underneath that. That's just in case we're carrying around everything with fuel in it and those actual toys. Right here's our outside porch light on the side with that window. You can barely see these windows and these doors too with this tempered glass. 120 volt power right on the outside of the door in the porch area. And now we're pointing out the 6D rings that are inside. This is a 7x18 custom trailer. They make the 7x13 and 7x16 as their standard 2 trailers. This door is showing us a shade. We have a deadbolt and the handle lock. Now, let's go into the bed and show you how the flip down bed works. Unlock. Then we'll open up the latches. Bring the bed down. Now we'll go inside, take the shepherd's hook and pop the shepherd's hook open. Go on the outside and bring the flaps down and over the sides to protect it. This is what it'll look like from the inside. This cover will pop off. It does have snaps if you want it to pop off and be nice and opened up. I have since seen a lot of people keep this on almost like a door. So you have your little bedroom in here. That is a full-size bed. Now to take that out, you take your shepherd's hook out. Tuck that down. Zip it all up inside so any of your bedding doesn't fall onto the ground. Then you go outside and bring up the flap. And as you bring this door up, you just start tucking it in as you go around. Tuck, tuck, go back, make sure, confirm. Then bring it inside of the seal and latch it up. It's that easy. Now we'll put up the door. One-handed. Latch it.
Hey, once again, we made it to the end of the video. I greatly appreciate you all sticking through and watching these. If you like these videos, you like these campers, just keep coming back. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell. Thanks for watching, everyone.